Hello and welcome back to Caught on DashCam channel. You can find all the latest trending clips from the roads all over the world caught on drivers' dashcam. This episode is going to be about careless drivers who pay a heavy price for not paying attention. Without any further ado, let's get this episode started. Cyclist ran a red light and his poor decision came back to bite him moments later. Check this out. Attention to all drivers. Please, be more careful and patient at the traffic lights. Rushing to run a red light can only get you in trouble, just like it did to this driver here. When the road is wet and slippery, you always need to adjust your speed and be careful with the gas pedal. This is really dangerous intersection for drivers and you'll see why in a moment. Overtaking over a double solid yellow line and at a sharp corner as well. This type of traffic behavior invites only trouble. People, please, avoid this kind of driving.
That would ease a lot of this shit. A lot of these people just go astray and go into It's a right-wing fucking shittiness because they didn't find anybody to connect with.
Christ.
Three vehicles got involved in a crash at the traffic lights. It all happened in a flash and the vehicles were totally wrecked. Hopefully, the ones involved are doing fine. With this clip we conclude yet another episode on Kothon DashCam channel. I hope you learn a thing or two from watching the mistakes of these drivers here. If you like this type of content, feel free to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. Until the next episode, drive safe and eyes wide open.